Hello everyone, I am Yavar Abbas. In this video, I will tell about sentiment analysis. This video series is very important for all researchers who are doing research, and this video series will be helpful in your research. So, growth of data. Due to evolution of internet and social media, every internet user expresses his opinion and views on the web. The rapid growth of web technology on internet has become the place for online learning and exchange ideas also. This gives birth to a huge sentiment data available website like Twitter, Facebook and personal blog etc. So what is the sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis, also called opinion mining, that analyze people opinion, sentiment, emotion and attitude about entities from text data. The entities can be products, services, organization, individual, event, issues or topics. There are many related names of sentiment analysis, such as opinion analysis, opinion extraction, sentiment mining, subjectivity analysis, effect analysis, emotion analysis, and review mining. It is one of the most active research areas in natural language processing and is also widely studied in data mining, web mining, and text mining. Sentiment analysis uses natural language processing technique for tracing the mood of the public about a particular topic. It implicates in building a system to collect and observe opinion about the brand, product, or service made in blog posts, comments, review, forum discussion, or tweets, and so on. What is polarity? Sentiment analysis is find out polarity of text, which is positive, negative, and neutral. So these are emojis. So the positive emojis, this one indicate like a happy face, and neutral means that there is no indication in this face, and the negative indicate the sad face. So these are the polarity of the text: positive, neutral, and negative. Basic components of an opinion. Opinion holder: a person or organization that holds specific opinion on a particular object. Object: item on which opinion is expressed. Opinion: a view, attitude of an object from an opinion holder. So this picture describes basic component of an opinion. Person: so here a person have opinion about a particular product. Object: so this is object, book is a object, and the person is an opinion holder. And person think or have opinion about a book. This is a great book. So this describe the component of the opinion. Definition of an opinion. The following opinion or review about a Canon camera to introduce the problem. I bought a Canon camera 6 months ago. I simply have love it. The picture quality is amazing. The battery life is also long. However, my wife thinks it's too heavy for her. So this is a feedback or review or opinion of a customer related to the Canon camera. Now you can see here I bought a Canon camera 6 months ago. This sentence indicate not indicate and not express any opinion. I simply love it. So this one sentence indicate positive opinion. The picture quality is amazing. This is also positive opinion. The battery life is also long. However, my wife thinks it is too heavy for her. This sentence indicates negative opinion. So the natural language processing technique understand the word so opinion understand based on the word of the sentiment. An opinion is a positive or negative sentiment and it can be defined as a five tuple EI, AIJ, SOIGKL, HKTL. EI represent is a target entity, AIJ is the aspect or feature of the entity EI. So SOIGKL is the sentiment value of the opinion from the opinion holder HK on aspect EIJ of the entity EI at time TL. So SOIGKL is positive or negative or neutral rating. HK is an opinion holder. TL is the time when the opinion was expressed. Sentiment analysis challenges. People express their negative sentiment using positive words, which can be difficult for machines to detect without having a detailed understanding of the context of the situation in which a feeling was expressed. The first challenge is the sarcasm. The second one is irony, and third one is tone. Sarcasm. Sarcasm means, for example, we purchase a mobile and so this mobile is great and the touch screen working stopped within a way. So this is the sarcasm. So machine understand only positive and negative words, but the intention not understand. And the another example of the sarcasm means, suppose we go to the restaurant for lunch, but the lunch taste was not good. So after the lunch, the waiter asked, "How was the lunch?" So we reply, "The lunch is great. The taste is great. The lunch is very delicious, and I never eat such kind of food in my life." So our intention is negative, but the word we use positive. So the machine understands positive and negative words. And the second one is Arni. And the Arni words mean, suppose, for example, the waiter dropped a tray on the table. So we reply the waiter, good job, and we also clapping. So this is basically negative intention, but we use positive words. And the third one is a tone. Tone means, suppose we use some words like you are looking great, cool, etc. These are the tone. These are the challenges of sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis application. The first one is social media monitoring. So sentiment analysis, every social media like Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. So the people use the post on the social media and write any status or I am happy today, I am feeling bad or good, etc. The second one is brand monitoring, and the third one is the voice of customer. The fourth one is customer services, and the last one is market research.